starting the first paddle. Okay. Eli launching. Coming in on the slippery dock. Slippery dock. As long as it don't float away. Right, we're coming to some key somewhere. Everybody's disappearing into the mangroves. In we go. Pretty cool.
Oh, does the GoPro give you a map?
No, but I got the watch on.
Oh, you do have the watch on.
Where'd everybody go back there? Where'd everybody go? We're here by ourselves. Wow, pretty nice here. Well, rumor has it there's a manatee here somewhere, but...
Watch the manatee!
I think he's... It's under me. Underwater. The end of our mangrove trail coming up. Masked lady. I know, I've got a nice video of them. Yet it's a big mother. Snoot up now. Yep. Looks like perhaps a dead end ahead and everybody turning around. Here they will come. Yes. It's the road gallery going by here. Okay, Mary Lou. We have you on camera. You're really here.
Hello, Jerry.
Hi. We're getting everybody going by. Cheers.
You can't stop here. You gotta go all the way up.
Oh. Smile, smile. Smile for the camera. You're getting pictures on both sides.
The cameraman.
Everybody.
And the Google Map man.
Yes.
Google Earth man.
The Rogues Gallery.
This is a photographer station here.
Look at Wendy. Big smile on Wendy.
Yeah.
And Peaches, our most photogenic person going by. Okay, everybody coming in. Okay, we got Eli and everybody trying to get out and watch sunset. Monday morning, everybody getting ready for the morning launch. Never drag your boat.
That was brutal.
No, it wasn't. It was pretty easy. Calm seas on the windward side, lee side of the island. Everybody resting after the long paddle through the wind, or with the wind, pushing. Bruce having lunch, snack.
Putting on lip balm.
Lip balm. Well, I decided to jump in the water. Everybody hiding out in the mangroves. Well, we've made it across the channel. Happy paddlers in the lead. Without your hat. Hard to keep it on going into that headwind. Okay, we're back. Washed the kayaks off. Mimi didn't go.
Here's his trailer, his picnic table, and there's an empty lot right here with a picnic table. So I cut through here to go to the shower. The guy
At the dinner group heading out. Everybody busting up. This is our little happy hour is now over. Kate's stuck in her chair.
Yeah, not so far. Marika's taking one.
Conover, are you
Yeah, we got you. Launching at John Pennekamp Park early on Tuesday morning. Okay, waiting for everybody to get in at Pennekamp. They were starting into the bushes there, under the first bridge. Hi. Smile. Coasting through here with the current. And there's got to be somebody back there. A loop from our way out, if anybody could see that map. Okay, Mary Lou, smile. Oh, I don't know. Smile if you like, otherwise forget it. You know, I'm going to do an overhead shot. Everybody getting tangled up in here. Where everybody is back there. Mary Lou behind me somewhere. Well, lost. We just turned around our massive kayaks. I didn't get it on movie film, but
Where'd you guys go to get out of their way, no? Yeah.
we're going through another slot. Let me get a picture of the sign.
Yeah.
Trail of Tears. Okay, we're returning back to home port at Pennekamp. Okay, we're getting back. Everybody's starting to get out. There's beams. Everybody packing up.